Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of Lite Food, and today I'm going to share a protein-filled fried rice cooked with lots of vegetables, soya chunks and tofu. So let's quickly check on the recipe. To start the recipe, I'm going to take 1 cup of soya chunks in a bowl, to which I'm going to add 1 to 2 cups of hot water or boiling water. To this I'm going to add salt to taste so that all the soya chunks absorb the salty water and doesn't feel bland while eating. So while this is resting for a couple of minutes, I'm going to quickly make fried rice spice masala. And for that, in a small bowl, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, next 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, next 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, and finally 1/4 teaspoon of dry mango powder or the amchur masala. Now mix all the spices together. You can find all these spices easily in the market, but if you don't find, then you can get the pre-made fried rice masala. To this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar. This is a must ingredient. This is going to make all the spices more flavorful and balanced. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside. Just look at this. This is looking perfect. Now squeeze out the excess water from the soya chunks and keep them aside. Now I'm going to shallow fry the soya chunks in half a cup of oil. And let me tell you that the soya chunks are definitely going to absorb the oil, and if you want to avoid, then you can just bake them or add them all by itself. They will all equally taste good. I like to fry my soya chunks a little bit, so I'm just going for it. Once they are cooked from all the sides, just take them out in a bowl. Now in the same pan, take 1 more tablespoon of oil and add half a cup of shredded tofu and fry for a minute or 2. So the tofu are very soft, so you need to cook them for a minute or 2 before adding them to your fried rice, or they will crumble. Once done, take them out in the same bowl. So here I'm going to quickly fry my vegetables for the fried rice. Now take 1 more tablespoon of cooking oil, to which add finely chopped green chilies. Saute for a couple of seconds and then add half a cup of sliced onion. Once the raw smell of the onion is gone, add finely chopped carrots and green beans and cook them for a minute. And then add the celery and the green bell peppers. Fry them for a minute again. Add all your favorite vegetables that you would like to add to your fried rice to make them flavorful and healthy. Next I'm going to add broccoli and Brussels sprouts. If you don't have Brussels sprouts, then you can add half a cup of shredded cabbage. Make sure not to fry the vegetables for a longer time or overcook them. Add salt to taste and then 1.5 cup of cooked rice. Here I'm using the pony boiled rice, but you can use brown rice or the basmati rice, raw rice or the plain boiled rice. Just make sure that the rice is undercooked. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. So when all the vegetable and rice is mixed properly, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of homemade fried rice masala straight into this. This is looking delicious and flavorful. Mix the masala with all other ingredients and finally add the fried soya and tofu straight into the pan. Give it a final mix, turn off the stove and add handful of finely chopped spring onions. The only one flavor missing in this recipe is that little sourness, and for that I'm going to squeeze half a lemon straight into the fried rice. You can eat this all by itself or make a side dish to enjoy with this. Now serve it hot in a bowl and enjoy a protein-filled soya and tofu fried rice. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.